Hi, this is Kathy from the Salem Public Library. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to use Canva to create holiday creations. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these services to you. So today I'm going to share with you Canva. It is a free online platform that will help you bring out your inner creativity. So let me go ahead and show you where to go on the internet. So if you go to your browser and you were to type in canva.com or just Canva, it will bring you to the Canva website. So when you are on the main page, it will look like this. And as you can see, it says created design, and it's got all these different categories that you can design things for. There are so many different varieties. I'm just going to click through them so you can kind of see what they're talking about, and then I'll show you how to make a project. So if you go to the social media, it will show you different types of areas in the social media that you can create different graphics to post on a social media website. If you're looking to create something like an event, it'll show you invitations, posters, brochures, announcements, those types of things. And then you have the marketing. And there are a lot of different types of marketing things, from brochures to gift certificates. And then, excuse me, if you go to documents, there's presentations, letters, reports, resumes, invoices, magazine covers, prints. You can do t-shirt prints, posters, all kind of different things under prints. This is a great category if you're looking for gifts for someone, or you want to create something specific. You can even work on some video, some intros and presentation type things. There are templates for school. If you're a teacher, there are lesson plans and worksheets, class schedules, mind maps. And then for personal, it's got the invitation cards, photo collages, postcards, website. So I am going to show you up here. There are different templates. You can find them here just as well, like the ones that I showed you down here. So let's go with a card, since Christmas is coming up, and let's look at the card. So you can start with a template that's already pre-created for you. All you basically have to do is drag the template onto here. So here's holiday cards. Let's choose this one. So one thing is, if you can see right here where I'm hovering over it, it says free. Now, there are some that you have to have a paid account to use, and it will kind of have a crown over it. So let me see if I can find one just so I can show you the difference between the free one and the pay ones. Well, I don't see any right now, but I'm sure I'll be able to show you later as we go on. One nice thing is they do have a tutorial here. It will walk you through how to do all the different steps to create something. So that's very nice too. You can also use your own uploads over here on the side to create something. So let's go ahead and drag one over here. So I'm going to drag this holiday card back here over to the canvas. So when I drag it over, as you can see, it will fill up the space. And as I'm using my cursor around, it makes a blue box around anything that is able to be edited. So you see there's a blue box around the wording, and I can click on it, and it puts the cursor wherever I am. And you can see it is giving you a new toolbar at the top, and it gives you the options like you would in a Microsoft Word document. You can change the font type. So say I want something different, I want different font. You can see it's changed my font from this one to this. Also, you can change the size, and you can change the color and all of that, just like you would a normal font. So you can type whatever you want. You can drag this box, make it bigger or smaller. You can, adjust it accordingly. Now, the next thing is, you can see here, anything that you click on that has a box around, you can crop it, you can flip it, you can get rid of it, whatever you want. So say I don't want this tree, all I have to do is go up here and click the delete, and it takes it away. Now, if I decided this is where I want my picture, you can go over here to the left where it says upload, and you can upload your own image from your computer to put in here to make it personal. So basically, you would just click upload. And if there are specific things that you want to do on it, like the uploading, you do have to create an account. Now, if you have a Google account, you could just click this and then it'll automatically sign you up for your account. Or you can sign up with your email. It is free. But a lot of extra things like that, you do have to create an account. You can do some of these things without actually creating an account. So I'm just going to keep walking you through that portion. So photos, they do have photos on here that are free that you can use for your creations. So if I decide I want to add this, I can add that on as my photo and it'll replace the one that's there and put it in there. So, and you can adjust this also, make it bigger or smaller, whatever you would like to do. The next thing down here is they have elements, and these are just extra things that you can add to your presentation. As you can see, there's shapes and frames and stickers and all types of different things. And you can even search here if you want to by category to be able to find something to add to the picture. You also have the text ability, so if you want to put different text on there somewhere else, see, all I did was clicked it and I dragged it over there and there it is. There's the font and you can change it. You have that up at the top to be able to change it. You can add music to different things. As you can see, here are the free ones and here are the ones, see the ones that have the crown? Those are the pro. And these are the ones that you do have to purchase to use. But if you have your own music that you want to upload and add, you can do that too through the uploads area. Videos, they do have some free videos, aerial shots, just different things that you can add in depending on what you're creating to add to the design if you want to make that. They also have different backgrounds. So if I wanted that background instead of the other, as you can see, all I did is clicked it and it put it over there onto the canvas where you're working. So it's really cool and it's pretty user-friendly to use. Once you add something to it, it does give you this nice bar at the top that you can use to edit or do whatever you want to with it. You do have the option to download, so you would just download, and what it will do, it will give you a PDF print and you can determine how you want to download it. It does give you other options. Does give you some picture files that you can, or a PDF to download. The SVG, you do have to have a more advanced account to do that, but then all you do is you just click download and it will prepare it and then download it to your computer. And then it asks you if you want to save it again to use for the future, you do have to create an account. But as you can see here, it automatically downloaded to my computer as a PDF, and there I have it to use for whatever thing I want to use it for. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. If you do leave the page that you are working on, you'll have to discard your changes unless you are logged in. If you're logged in, you can save it. But it's really nice because you can search for different things right up here. If you click, it'll just give you some different examples. If you have a business and you want to create something fun, so say, I'm just going to pull this over here to show you so you can see it. So you want just like a Christmas flyer, it will show you up here and you can change the direction, you can add designs, you can see what the second page looks like, page 1, page 2, and this is one of those things that it's fun to get in here and just create and just learn as you're working on it, because that's the best way you're going to learn. There's so much to do in here and there's so much for me to show you that my suggestion is that you just get in here and check it out and try using it. It's pretty fun to use. It's pretty user-friendly. Just remember, if you don't have the premium account that's paid for, you have to look for the ones that say free, and they are free to use and download for your creation. So I hope that you will check it out. Maybe make some nice cards for someone, or just a neat poster that you could share with someone this holiday season. Have a great day.